What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can repay your loan if you borrowed from OPay. So let's get right into it. Click on the app while we wait for it to open up. So usually this is the interface you are going to see when you open your OPay app, this right here. So come over here to loan, click on it. Once you click on it, just wait for it to open up. This is gonna take just a couple of minutes and doesn't take that long. So once it opens up, it will come up to the page showing how much you are owing and how you need to repay it back. So next thing you need to do is come over here to repay now. So let's click on it. Now once we click on it, we're going to come here and click on repay. So now you can repay your loan fully now, or you can repay your loan partly, and underneath here you can see all the how to repay. You can repay using pay via USSD, pay via bank transfer, pay via bank card, or OPay balance. Well, for me, I found using the OPay balance much simpler and easier to use to repay a loan. So let's go ahead and repay the loan. So right here, I'm going to show you how you can repay your loan partly. If you do have the full money, you can go ahead and repay it fully. But I'm going to come over to click on part and click on the OPay balance, so that will take the money from there. I do have some money there, and now I'm just going to type in the amount I'm going to pay out of it back. After doing that, I'll click on make payment. This is just going to take a couple of minutes. Then click on payment, wait for it to process, and that is it. Payment successful. Now what I've done basically is just pay part of the money that I'm owing. So let's click on understand, and you can now see that right here it shows repayment amount, how much I've paid so far, repayment date, then the remaining loan amount that I'm yet to pay. And that's how easy you can repay your loan on OPay. I do like it that they have the ability to, you can pay part of it or pay the full amount at once. So if you want to see how to collect a loan on OPay, go ahead and comment in the comment box. Write something, say you want to see the video how to collect a loan, and also go ahead and like the video. Thanks for watching this video. Check out my other videos right here. Bye.